Imagine a symphony, not in a grand concert hall but amidst the cosmos, echoing across the vast expanse of space. It's a concept that's intrigued us for ages, this idea of intertwining our love for music with our fascination for the cosmos. We yearn to share our melodies, our rhythms, our expressions of life with potential extraterrestrial beings. And so, we've sent our music into the great unknown, broadcasting our existence through radio signals, spacecraft, and rovers. This is not a figment of science fiction, it is a fascinating reality of our history. The first chords of this cosmic concerto were struck in the late 1960s, during the era of the Apollo missions. It was a time of unprecedented exploration, and music was not to be left behind. Astronauts aboard Apollo 10 carried with them a melody that would echo through the cosmos, Frank Sinatra's Fly Me to the Moon. As they orbited our lunar neighbor, the crew serenaded the silent expanse with Sinatra's smooth, timeless notes. Around the same period, a beautiful tradition began to emerge aboard the International Space Station. To gently rouse astronauts from their slumber, Mission Control would play a selected piece of wake-up music. This practice not only served a practical purpose, but also provided a comforting touch of earthly culture amidst the isolation of space. From classical symphonies to rock anthems, these wake-up calls have been the soundtrack to countless sunrises over our blue planet. These were the pioneering notes of a melody that would soon extend far beyond our own planet. In 1977, we amplified our celestial symphony, sending it further into space than ever before. This was thanks to the Voyager spacecraft's golden records, a time capsule aiming to communicate the story of our world to extraterrestrials. But this wasn't just a story of science or geography. It was a story of culture, diversity, and the human spirit. The golden records were like a cosmic jukebox, carrying with them a diverse selection of music from across our planet. There were classical masterpieces from Bach and Beethoven, the intricate rhythms of Indian raga music, and the hauntingly beautiful sounds of a Navajo night chant. There was jazz from Louis Armstrong, rock and roll from Chuck Berry, and even the enchanting sounds of a pygmy girl's initiation song. Each piece of music was chosen with great care, encapsulating a different facet of our rich, varied human experience. They were our way of saying, this is us, this is Earth, this is humanity. We weren't just sending sounds into space, we were sending pieces of our souls. But why music, you may wonder? Well, music is a universal language. It transcends borders and barriers, speaks to the heart, and echoes our shared humanity. If there is life out there, what better way to introduce ourselves than through the melodies and harmonies that have moved us, shaped us, and defined us as a species? The Voyager Golden Records were not just discs of music. They were messages in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. They were our way of reaching out into the vast unknown, carrying with them our hopes, our dreams, and the best of what it means to be human. They were our way of saying, hello, universe. We are here. We are Earth. And this is the music of our world. Despite our best efforts, our celestial concert has yet to receive an encore from an extraterrestrial audience. Through the decades, we've sent our melodies on interstellar voyages, from Frank Sinatra's crooning to the ethereal sounds of Pink Floyd, each tune an invitation to the cosmos. Yet, the stars remain silent, their response to our cosmic compositions unknown. But does this silence discourage us? Far from it. The lack of feedback from the great beyond only fuels our curiosity and motivates further exploration. Our dedication to this intriguing endeavor is unwavering. We continue to probe the mysteries of the universe with our musical missives, persistently researching and experimenting with ways to make our terrestrial tunes travel further, resonate more deeply. Our ceaseless efforts are not just about seeking validation or a response, it's about expressing who we are as a species, sharing our cultural diversity, our creativity, our spirit. It's about reaching out into the vast expanse of the universe with something that transcends language and time. Music. Even in the silence, the music continues to play, a testament to our curiosity and our unending desire to reach out into the cosmos. As we gaze into the future, we ponder how our cosmic symphony might evolve. We're dreaming bigger, exploring new technologies, and finding innovative ways to share our music with the universe. Imagine space probes equipped with the latest sound technology, voyaging into the unknown, carrying the soulful melodies of Earth. Will this lead to an extraordinary interstellar jam session, a cosmic dialogue through music? We could even stumble upon an extraterrestrial Mozart or Beethoven. While we await the day when our music might be answered, we continue to play, filling the cosmos with the sounds of our world.